Okay, let's talk breakfast ideas. So breakfast, most important meal of the day. I typically will have gluten-free Rice Krispies. Hang on. Thus. Or gluten-free bread, which works well as toast. If you're going for gluten-free bread, by the way, which has a bad name, bad rep, and has been terrible in the past because it just falls apart, then Genius is a very good brand, and I particularly like the seeded ones. I think they're better than the white ones, and actually in the toaster, they're brilliant.
So when it comes to any kind of ideas about food, I am pretty obsessed with A Little Bit Yummy, because Alana, who runs it, is amazing when it comes to recipes. This is her Low FODMAP breakfast ideas board on Pinterest. So you can go to pinterest.com/A Little Bit Yummy, and you'll find loads of great FODMAP boards there. But this is particularly the one for breakfast ideas. So you can see you can get pretty interesting recipes when it comes to FODMAP. You don't need to be bland and boring, so take a look through those and you won't be disappointed.